friends, welcome back. Today I am making gaja, a traditional sweet dish prepared in Odisha. For gaja, here I have taken 1 cup of flour or maida, salt, oil, fennel seed, baking soda, sugar for syrup. So let's start. In first step, I have to add maida or flour, salt, 1 pinch of baking soda, fennel seed, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Mix it well. Add little by little water. Mix the oil and maida properly. Add water. Knead it well. Make a slight stiffy dough. I have kneaded the flour, made the dough, covering it, keeping it 15 minutes to set the maida. In between, you will make the sugar syrup. For sugar syrup, here I have taken 1 bowl of sugar and 1 bowl of water. Cook it in low flame. For flavor, I am adding 1 cardamom in it. After 15 minutes, we have to knead the dough again. After kneaded the dough, then we have to cut the dough, make a rectangular shape. We'll cut with a knife and making a rectangular shape. Do like this. Then we have to deep fry it. I have heated oil. To check the oil, put small piece of dough. If the dough floats on the oil, that means our oil is ready to fry. Then we will drop the gaja. We are in high flame. After putting the gaja, we will keep the flame low. Fry it in low flame. Flip the other side. Keep frying till it becomes crunchy and crispy. Our gaja has fried. Color also changed to golden brown. Then I am taking it out. Next step is to drop in sugar syrup. Our sugar syrup also ready. Then we will put the gaja. Keep the gaja in syrup minimum 15 minutes. Our gaja is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.